How to add Arabic text in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open CapCut. Click on New Project. Select the video that you want to add text to, and then click on Add at the bottom. Once it's added, click on Text at the bottom, and then click on Add Text. So unfortunately, there's not Arabic text directly in CapCut, but what you can do is go out of CapCut, type in English to Arabic, and then enter your text in English. Go ahead and copy this Arabic text right here by long pressing on it, and then clicking on Copy, and then open CapCut. Over here, long press, and then click on Paste. So you can create different styles, add different effects, animations, or put it in a bubble. So this is how to add Arabic text in CapCut. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.